Hello everyone, welcome to my channel #Masala Chai, adding that perfect spice to your life. Yes friends, it's been a while. I have not got time to do any vlog with you all, and today is a very special day, because after 3.5 months we have decided to step out of our house for some urgent work, and along with that we have also decided to venture out Bombay's iconic Guru Kripa's Chole Samosa. So of course we will do that with all the precautions, and I'll show you how we are taking care of ourselves, and we'll also check out the tempting samosas and how to eat it. We'll show you a sneak peek of that. Let's get started. Chalo. So guys, we have reached Guru Kripa. You will not believe, now during lockdown also there is a long queue. So of course they are not allowing people to sit over there and eat. It's all takeaway, and we will also take our stuff inside the car and we'll eat it here. And there's a long queue already, and I can't wait to go and place my order. So of course we are planning to order chole samosa, which is the most famous dish out here. So of course we will order for that, and there are other varieties too. So we'll just go check out and show you the queue also and the food, of course. So let's check, and of course the safety measures are most important. So that's it. We'll go get our stuff, our sanitizer and everything is ready. We are carrying some dabbas from home. So this is the sanitizer that we have kept ready. So we have come all prepared to enjoy Guru Kripa. Let's go check it out. Seems gulab jamun is quite famous here. Everyone is buying, and it's already over. We'll have to come here once again. So we got our stuffs. I'll show you what all we have got, but first things first, I'm just sanitizing properly. Let's get started. So we ordered chole samosa, which I told you a main reason to come over here, most famous thing out here. And we ordered some dal pakwan. Again, it's my personal favorite, and chole bhature. So these are the three things that we ordered. And we realized that sweets are also very famous here. There is gulab jamun, which everyone is asking for it, but it's already over. But since we have already ordered so many things, we avoid ordering sweets. Anyways, I'll keep coming here. So let's get started with the food. Yeah. So in one plate chole samosa, they serve 2 samosas. Okay, we have taken 2 plates now, and they serve it with sweet chutney and chole, of course. So this is chole, I guess. It's all hot, and samosas are very hot. इसको ना खाने का एक तरीका है. I'll show you how. These are not very big samosas. See. So एक प्लेट पे 2 samosas. So I'll just make one plate and show you how it's been made. Yeah, I'm just making one plate. इसको ऐसे ना तोड़ना है. You'll have to break the samosas. एकदम तोड़ लेना. ओके, ऐसे ही ट्रेडिशन है ये छोले समोसा खाने का. छोले, see, the samosas are broken into pieces. इसके ऊपर जाएगा छोले. That's it. Let's pour the sweet chutney. ये खाने में जो मज़ा है मिला के, can't even tell you guys. इसको ऐसे मिलाना है, everything together, mix everything, and the best part is, you know what, it doesn't feel heavy on stomach, it's very light. इसको ऐसे बना के फिर ऐसे can't talk. इतना अच्छा समोसा ना, ट्रस्ट मी, मैंने लाइफ में नहीं खाया है. लाइक आई कम फ्रॉम अ प्लेस विच इज़ फेमस फॉर समोसाज. आई डोंट वांट टू कंपेयर द टेस्ट बिकॉज इट्स कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट, बट ये खाने के बाद ना बहुत हल्का लगता है. आई डोंट नो हाउ. इट्स अ डीप फ्राइड थिंग समोसा, बट यू नेवर फील हैवी आफ्टर ईटिंग दिस. दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट. एंड द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ छोले, द स्वीट चटनी एंड द समोसा इज टू डाई फॉर. सो डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे ज़रूर आइए एंड एन्जॉय दिस. नाउ लेट मी ऐसा कोई हो नहीं सकता है जिनको ये अच्छा ना लगे. दैट्स द थिंग. एंड बहुत बढ़िया. मैं एंजॉय करती हूँ और आप लोगों को बाकी का खाना भी दिखाती हूँ. तब तक स्टे ट्यून्ड. So now it's time for exploring the dal pakwan. So we are finished eating chole samosa and we are drooling. We are still into it. इस पे भी चटनी है. Then of course the pakwan and the classic chana dal. We will have it here and that's how it is. So let's quickly put everything in our extra bowl and we will show you guys. But before that I would also like to show you the chole bhature, which we have realized that we can't have it right now because we are already full. So ये हम घर लेके जाएंगे और घर पे enjoy करेंगे. But still you have the right to see how nicely they have packed it. तो इस पे पापड़ है. Then they have given the bhature, some chole, chutney and it seems कांदा है. और you know they have given 2 bhatures. तो क्वांटिटी वाइज ये काफ़ी अच्छा है. इसका प्राइस आई थिंक 135 रुपीज़ है. तो बस इफ़ यू आर काउंटिंग कैलोरीज गाइज, नो नीड टू कम हियर, बट अदरवाइज वंस इन अ वाइल चलता है. ऑफ कोर्स लाइफ इज़ ऑल अबाउट ईटिंग गुड, राइट. तो ये मैं ना रख रही हूँ बिकॉज ये हम लोग अभी नहीं खा सकते. वी विल एक्सप्लोर द बेसिक चना दाल जो है वो है. खुशबू बहुत ही अच्छी आ रही है. सो दिस इज़ द दाल विच वी विल एंजॉय विद आवर पकवान. ये है हमारा दाल एंड इस पे दे सर्व सम हरी चटनी. लुक्स लाइक पुदीना का है. दिस आई हैव नेवर हैड एनीवेयर. मतलब दाल पकवान के साथ ही पुदीना वाली. नो इट्स वाओ, इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट चटनी. ये ना गिर ना जाए। है हमारा दाल और उसके साथ पकवान ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है, ऐसे ही सेटअप है। वी आर नॉट कैरिंग एनी प्लेट्स, तो ऐसे ही तोड़ के हम लोग इस पे डाल के खाएंगे गाइस। सो टिल देन वेट, आई विल जस्ट शो यू with one bite. Very nice. ये ना दाल पकवान एक ऐसी डिश है सिंधी लोगों की जो कभी it can never taste bad is what I feel. It has to taste good. इसको ऐसे तोड़ के डाल दीजिए इस पे और बस एंजॉय कीजिए दाल पकवान। इट्स रियली गुड। as I was saying कि this dish is, you know, it's such a dish which no one can make it in you know, in a way that it will taste bad. इसका preparation ही ऐसा है कि it has to taste good. So and but I will not say कि ये खाने के लिए you'll have to come to Guru Kripa Sayan, because this is something which you will get in other places too. Like I have I love dal pakwan of Vig in Chembur, so that's one of the most famous Sindhi joints there. But the chole samosa that we have had here, it's really unique, and I never had samosa this way with chole earlier before. So and it tastes awesome. So you must come here for that. And ये सब चीजें तो है ही. I'm not saying it tastes bad, but you get it elsewhere as well. So let me enjoy dal pakwan, जिसको मैं ऐसे तोड़ूंगी. I'll just break it into pieces, put it in my dal and put it in my So guys, we are done eating and too full, honestly can't talk much right now, but just to say a few things about this place is they are very hygienic, maintaining all the norms and you know, maintaining social distancing as well. So I find it really okay, and you know, didn't bother me on the safety measures as such. So that's about the place. And as I said, you must come here for chole samosa. That's a must have. And dal pakwan was average, and of course chole bhature to मैंने अभी तक try नहीं किया है. That I'm yet to try. Probably will share a review for that in my next video. And that's about it. Hope you all like the video, and if you have not yet subscribed to #Masala Chai, please do so, and also share it with your friends and family. So like, share and subscribe to #Masala Chai and hit the bell icon to stay notified about all upcoming videos in my channel. That's about it for today. Bye.